Hi all, today I'm making this video to show you how to animate an Excel chart in PowerPoint. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button to support me to make more videos to help other people just like you. If this video has helped you, any donations to support this channel are welcome by using the PayPal link in the description. So the first step to do this is to get ready your chart as per normal. Then what you do is click on your chart, Ctrl C to copy, then go to your PowerPoint, Ctrl V to paste it to paste the chart to your PowerPoint. Next, you go to animations, you go to white. The effect options, you select from left, right. Next, you select by category so that your chart can be displayed from left to right. Then you can insert some shapes. Maybe a big bang shape like this, right, to indicate promotion or a campaign. Right, you can also include this as your animation. Go to animations, select white, right, just move it a bit. And if you want to show the explosion right after this trend line, you move the explosion up. I think it's here. Then you select start after previous. Then you can test it by going to this slideshow. So it's whenever you click, it will show you a trend line, so you can narrate trend line. Then you get an explosion with the July trend line. And you click all the way and finish the presentation. I hope this video has helped you. Please remember to subscribe or donate if that pleases you. See you later. Bye bye.